Hello everyone, namaste. Today I'm going to make some greeny chicken salad. So you can see here. So we need here coriander leaf, some roasted peanuts, some of seared and sliced onion, some cherry tomatoes, some of cabbage leaves, some roasted and grilled seared chicken, and lemon juice, chili flakes. Okay, then we'll mix all of these ingredients here, then mix some of pepper, black pepper, to taste of salt, your taste of salt, and lemon juice, and some of olive oil. Yeah, you can see there, and some roasted sesame seed. Okay, you can share like this, and you mix together again like this by your hand. And finally, when we grill the chicken, and there will be some drop of sauce from the grilled chicken, so you can put there top of salad like this. You can have it your own healthy and hygienic food. Thank you very much.